what to think about this virus. Started in China, now everybody in America's hiding. There's no groceries cause people start to panic and buy it. The shelves are empty, the ones with plenty already stockpiling. Y'all making memes, think it's funny? Wait a week till the riots, wait a month till the only way to eat is be violent. It's not the sickness that's scary, it's all the people who wildin'. The government lying, they trying to keep us calm through the sirens. You know it's for real, and all the pharmaceutical giants don't have a cure that they can sell you, so now everyone's dying. There's no vaccines or medication made that can fight it. I guess it's time to pray to God we can't rely on the science. And everyone around me in a mask and some gloves. The stock market crashed and the bank's about to bust. Tell us sanitize our hands, this will pass. It's a bug, stay inside, you'll be fine till we're trapped there for months. It's a ghost town, we're in this together. They're closing all the stores down, we're heading for shelter. It's all war now, they'll always remember. We're locking all our doors down, we're sticking together. It's all ghost town.
Maliban sa nag-iisang parol na ito sa pintuan ni Mang Ben Flor, wala pang gaanong bakas ng Pasko sa tahanan niya. Kulang daw sa sigla ang Pasko nila ngayong taon dahil nawalan siya ng trabaho bilang parking attendant sa gitna ng COVID-19 pandemic.
Kaysa mag-decorate ka, bigyan mo lang ng pagkain. Kung meron man na pabili, walang kita.
Ganito rin ang sentimiento ni Aling Remedios.
Malungkot. Walang Pasko ngayon, palagay ko wala.
Kami ay may lakas na harapin ang bukas. Ikaw ang gabay sa bawat landas. Gawin kaming liwanag para sa isa't isa. Pag-asang sumisinag sa pamilya at sa kapwa.
Ngayong Pasko, matiriw